गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज के वीडियो सेशन में हम लोग बात करेंगे ड्यूअल नेचर ऑफ मैटर के बारे में। डी ब्रॉगली ने इस कॉन्सेप्ट को सबसे पहले बताया कि माइक्रो साइज चार्ज पार्टिकल में दो डिफरेंट प्रॉपर्टीज एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, पार्टिकल का प्रॉपर्टी और वेव का प्रॉपर्टी। इसी को कहा जाता है ड्यूअल नेचर ऑफ मैटर। और डी ब्रॉगली ने इसके लिए एक इक्वेशन डिराइव किया जो डी ब्रॉगलीज इक्वेशन के नाम से जाना जाता है। लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू एच बाई एम वी। लैम्डा है वेवलेंथ, प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ वेव, एच इज द प्लैंक्स कांस्टेंट, एम इज मास, मास इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैटर, and v is the velocity. Velocity is the common property of both matter and wave. But mass into velocity gives you another term, that is momentum, which is the only property of matter. So lambda is equal to h by p, and in this equation you can see that wave property, that is lambda, is inversely proportional to its particle property. Lambda equal to h by p. Lambda is equal to h by mv and lambda is equal to h by p. Both are considered as de Broglie's equation shows the relationship between wave property and particle property of a micro-sized charged particle like electron. And the wave property shown by such microparticle said to be as particle wave or matter wave or sometimes electronic wave. It was great invention in the history of science, and it leads to the generation of a complete new branch of science which is known as quantum mechanics, which deals with the property of macro-sized particle as well as micro-sized particle. But initially, entire research based on the classical mechanics, which is applicable for the macro-sized particle, but classical mechanics failed to explain the property of micro-sized particle. So this de Broglie's equation not only explains the dual nature of matter, it also causes the generation of a new branch of science known as quantum mechanics.